Oh, a man fear come tell me about black tank and chuck. Bad man, me no want to hear about black tank and chuck. Because when the drought come, my black tank I go empty same way. I mean, I have to go pay a truck man to carry water come put in it. That me I show you. So I'm not interested in that. You get me? Yeah, I'm not interested in that. None at all, I'm not interested in that. See, Montego be a sign here. Let me say 17 million feet. Why the money I be so disgusting? You're behind me, brother. Behind me, you know. Look like a blast to the idiot. Behind me, brother. Behind me. Stop your eyes. Or you drive over on this half shoulder over this mash up a car. I don't know why the bag are nice. Don't see how you drive down here, so every day I open my phone, I see video we do now, so think me I make you frighten me down here for the foolishness. Yeah, you go on over there, so.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another Driving Through Jamaica.
What's up, beautiful people? Yours truly, 876 by birth, coming to you with some nighttime visuals. Yeah, man. They're up on the ground, you know, people, and we make away from Montego Bay, and we actually go all the way in to Old Harbour. So you know we're gonna come through we're gonna go through Trelawney, we're gonna go through Miami Bay right there, so we're gonna go all the way out to Ocho, so we're gonna go Miami Bay, and then we're gonna jump on the toll, run in, up off Angels, and then make our way to Old Harbour. See? So yeah, man, that's the thing there. So we just there, go just, as I say, a nighttime visual. So we just there, go cruise, go in, and we go out a little reason while we are going. You see me? Yeah. This is probably about a 3-hour drive, you know. I don't know if we can reason for 3 hours. Let's see. You see me? But yeah, man, we're there, you know, people. You see me? Man, give me a bar, but give me a sleep, you see it? Yeah. Yeah, man, people. So as you know, we are come down from the roundabout side. And you know that roundabout here, on the left, you know where you find the airport. Yeah, Songsters International Airport. Yeah, man. So they are the people. Just they are go and build, you know? Yeah. And I take good time and I go in. See, Montego be a sign here. Let me say 17 million feet. Why the money I be so disgusting? You're behind me, brother. Behind me, you know. Look like a blast to the idiot. Behind me, brother. Behind me. Stop your eyes. Or you drive over on this half shoulder over this mash up a car. I don't know why the bag are nice. Don't see how you drive down here, so every day I open my phone, I see video we do now, so Think me I make you frighten me down here for the foolishness. Yeah, you go on over there, so. So yeah, my people, we're there. May I say, yo, shout out to all of the new viewers, them, you know. Yeah, man, all of the. Hold on, so I don't say him just there. I think him take off already. How did it blow? You really are saying that? Seeing the people. But yeah, anyways. Yeah, man, shout out to the new people them over there. As we say, it's a easy cruise, easy driving, you know, kind of laid back on the one, you understand? Yeah, man. You know, the bagga nice will make a daytime. Little bit different tonight, you see me? Yeah, man. Nighttime drive them more calm and collected. I mean, you might get passionate if you are talking about something. If you are talking about something with dear to you, know, you might get passionate, you see me? But yeah, man, the nighttime drive them is different, you know? So yeah, shout out to the new people them over there. Old people them over there. Bless upon yourself as well. You know the thing, alright? Yeah, man. So basically just, well, we're still in a MONTEGO Bay. We're still in a Bay, basically. You know, St. James that. I understand. Yeah. And we are going to make away. Somebody want to make a call. If you borrow that tool tomorrow. Tomorrow, Wednesday. It's a Tuesday night tonight, people. Yeah. I want to talk about a little issue, people, but hold on. Now we have nothing about time, you know, because as I say about 3 hours we have a day for, see? So, yeah, we have to drive here. Drive here about a 3-hour drive, you see me? And I say, Kimmy there with me, but Kimmy can't sleep. Yes, so me and Una have to keep me company. Yeah, Una have to keep me company. You understand? Yeah. I have to keep my company. Sorry about that, people. Me and those out there, so. Or a smoke. Make a call, people. You want to make a call. Hold on, let me there, people. Just try to look for a number. Call a youth and see if we can get that thing for borrow. Yo, youth. But there, man. You see them little spline tool them. May I borrow them, but tomorrow probably. Not tomorrow, later. But I bring it back come get tomorrow. But watch you now, no? Yeah, I wonder if you can left it like out a door, cause I'm gonna be me there now, you know. I come in, you know, so. So if you can left it like on the veranda there, so somebody just stop and pick it up and then carry it back come here tomorrow. Alright then. Yeah. Alright people, so yeah. Some people, my dad see him, and right now, April, in Jamaica every year, they normally talk about drought. Every summer there's this big talk about drought. See? I don't know for a reason them start early this year from April. I don't know what go on. Some I don't know. But we probably just need to follow the money and we know why still. But the talk start make from early about drought. Alright? Now me didn't even have a conversation in my barber shop, you know, with two of my barber them one time. See? And here what my thing is. I'm not come off with no political thing, you know. Seeing people, this is not political in a no shape and form. See? It's not political. Now, to show how I not deal with no politics thing. Them say, Labour Party they in a power right now from 2016. So what me do? I Google from 2015. I start search from 2015. Just a year before. I could have go back more. Could have go back more, you know, but I don't need to go back no more. If I never did find me, I look for would have go back more, but I don't need to go back no more. See? Alright. So in a 2015 when I Google drought across Jamaica or something whatever I check. Or when I pull up the Gleaner website, I'm a search the year 2015, I'm a search for drought. I see the headline there. The headlines had the worst thing to say about the water shortage in Jamaica. Alright? Had the worst things to say about the water shortage in Jamaica. Cool? Alright. We got 2016. It would have been like them copy and paste the year before headline. Same time in the summer again. And I talk about this thing again. Alright? We go up to about 2018 or 2019, I don't remember. The headlines were the same. They might change a few words and they might say a few things more, but it's pretty much the same thing. Alright? It's pretty much the same thing. Cool? Same thing pertaining to the drought. Now, I don't want nobody come tell me about Labour right now angle the drought good and PNP used to do this and PNP used to do that. I Google in a PNP time to me search Gleaner website, me search whole heap of places, whole heap of things where the news come from, me search it out. And I realize in a PNP time we still have drought, water shortage. So I don't want nobody come tell me no, nothing like another way. My point is, none of them politicians no care about Jamaica having a drought in the summertime. None of them. None of them no business. And hear my argument, you know. Hear my argument, you know, see? Alright, since recently I see one video and next I guess him a some PNP man. Me don't know who him be. I think so if PNP if it turn government now, he would have be like in charge of water. Some minister or something. Me don't know. Because me don't follow them. I follow them out. I don't even know if I have a water minister if at that time title or if you have a bigger title and water commander. Like I have no clue. But me know this a man we attack in the video. Him would not in charge of water. Whether I would get a name minister of water or I'm name minister of something else and water fall and die. I don't know. See? Just so you understand. I now follow them. Hope you get them point there. Yeah. What you free now? Alright. Man a cuss. I talk about truck and water and some bullshit. Him a talk about water and truck. And how 2015 them truck did that whatever, and in 2016 Labour right take them and start do foolishness with it. See? And whatever with the truck them, alright? That's the way myself. See? That time argument, you know. So I said to Kimmy earlier, I said, here what boy. And then the man I show up one video where, well, I know him, sorry, it's not him. I see a different video now. I don't know if I him, but I not try to say at him, you know. I not say at him at all. It's here and there to me for him. I don't care for him, neither. But he that talk about some trucking of water, that's my point. You see him? Trucking of the water there. Alright. Next video I see them show somebody, I said this a person have 14 black jump where the government supposedly issued. Right? I don't know if our government issued or whatever. But the person in the video attack I said it will be government funding we buy them drum and all that shit. So what I try to say is the government corrupt because them have 14 drum, one man have 14 drum and female. See? That's what I try to say. But knowing how this a government to operate, when you check them on this, you know, them explanation probably might be or the man probably a keep it for somebody, for some reason. Some stupid excuse them are gonna come with. Because that's how them do. Nobody in this government can never take the blame for nothing at all. See? They ever push the blame somewhere else. Them no wrong, them never wrong yet. See? Never ever wrong. Anyways. So for them explanation might be, oh, probably have some lame ass excuse, the truck broke down and this man, you know, him is some affiliate with somebody, so he must be able to keep them and store them. That's why I'm here until them able to retrieve them. They might come with some bullshit, because in the video you really see the drum them and re-read. But we don't know for a fact if where the man say the government drum and if the man whoever whatever, we don't know for a fact. We don't know that shit. See? But the message we have been relayed is BNP used to have truck and give the people them water. I carry water go give them. And the next message is oh one man have a bungalow drum in my yard and where if you give out to the people. What me want to know, see? The black drum. How it gonna get full with water? And they chop them. A free water them I get from the truck them. The people them have to pay for the truck carry the water coming up. Them have to buy the water, you know. So the man before argument was I say like him want to say yo no truck not there if make the people them get the water. So like him I say yo in our time we'd have the truck. So we could have able to truck the water to them. But I sell the water not free. And then them black drum here, oh water not gonna just appear in a them. So what me I try to say to you now, you know, people, we need to think higher than the noise we are make. We need to come above the surface of the noise. Because me have a black tank in my yard. That still not tell me say me now go experience drought. You understand what me I say? I have a tank for my house right now. And how that tank get full is when the water run through the pipe and it full up there on the rooftop. See? I saw the tank get full. But if no water in the dam, or whatever it want to name, whatever, no water now go run through the pipe. See? No. Some time ago, I did a country, you know. I did a Mandeville, I think. Yeah. I turn one place. I think when I go to Ingleside, I turn at one place and I see a big sign on the wall over one water commission. I don't know if it's a pump house or whatever it was. They have a water commission place. But the sign on the wall with water commission paint say water is life. Them have this as them logo on many things in a many advertisement. One bag of thing, water is life. So if there's no water, there's no life. Zine? Yeah. Please correct me if I'm wrong. I think the water commission is somehow controlled by the government. I don't know if I'm right or I'm wrong, but I think so. But anyways, them are get burned too. So whether them are independent, whatever or not, I don't know. As I said, I'm not too interested in a certain type of things in a Jamaica. So I don't really spend time to know about it like that. I just know say madness are going on, and I'm just not interested to know until the madness stop. You understand? So them upon them something water is life. Zine? Alright. So if there's no water, there's no life. So you know willingly, know this, you know. You know knowingly know say if you don't provide the water free, the people them are go dead. Because I want to say water is life. And we have come to agree that water is life. Alright? So cool. No. As I say, people, we need to go above the nice we are make and the rave. We need to take the thinking at a notch higher. See, there are a few notches higher. See? Alright. Now, I know someone probably might start to say, but if rain no fall or whatever, we can't get water. And if there's a drought, we really can't get water. You see what I say? Alright. People, right now we are going to go near one place named Ocherius. See? Ocherius is actually a Spanish language and it translates to 8 rivers in English. See? Yeah, that's how it translates. 8 rivers in English. So the place name, so whoever did name it, the Spanish them, I guess when them did there, or whoever name it, I don't know. I don't know, I'm in business, whoever name it. But when them there, them say, oh, 8 rivers. Because I guess whoever see it and realize, say, yo, 8 river run through the place here. Now, me can tell you this, based on my experience living in a Jamaica. Them say 8 river, people, probably all more than 8 river run through Ocherius. See? But then just name it 8 rivers. But maybe more than 8 river run through that. You see what I say? Just like how the people who live at certain places, government or whoever that live body, no know say one river run at one part or whatever run at one part. But the people them from the place know this. You understand? So therefore, more than 8 river run through. But I could take it for the name that it is. 8 rivers. Duns River 1. See? Duns River 1 people. I'm not going to go so far tonight. Because I'm going to turn a mommy bay. And run about and go on the tour. See? Every time he drive past Duns River, I hear the water gush. Every time I go over Duns River, I see it a gush. How much in gallon of water run out from the river there. Every year, right now the sea. When you go Duns River, you go into the sea, the water feel hot and cold. Because it mix the sea water mix with the river water. Because The river water never stop push. Never stop push, people. See? Never stop run. Never ever stop run. Rio Corbry. We run under flat bridge. Every time people drive and people go over the flat bridge, everybody fret. You know why? Because it's full of water. It's full of water. Any time of the year, any vehicle go over flat bridge, people start fret and fear the worst. Because over flat bridge, full of water. Rio Corbry. I suppose to Rio Corbry. Hopefully I'm not wrong, but if I'm wrong, I don't know what I'm talking about. See? Alright. I want to get the point, because the point is not the name of the river. The point is, these rivers never stop running. From day one, they never stop running, my people. You understand? Millions, probably billions, maybe even trillions of gallons of water run from out of the hill them or spring up from underground and run out in the Caribbean Sea from these springs and these rivers where run through Jamaica. Whole heap of gallons, if you add up them, every river, and how much it run out in the Caribbean Sea every year. You check it. You understand? Every year. Jamaica is also an island surrounded by water. We're not going to go in another part of this thing. However, it is actually possible to turn the salt water into potable water, fresh drinking water. It's possible. They say that it's a very expensive process, but it is possible to do. Alright? Listen now. There are a lot of countries in the world that are landlocked, meaning they're surrounded by land. They have a whole heap of country in the world when they have no river we run through it. I don't know, them say Barbados must not have a river neither. I must have one river or I must have two rivers. I don't know. But I hear say, I never go there yet go see, I don't find it. But I think them say Barbados must not have a river. So, but who know if your fact can correct me? All them social studies speech and who go there and know who come from they can correct me. See? Yeah. Just correct. But as I said, if I make some mistakes by them, mistake, say some things where, you know, by mistake, whatever, I don't want to dwell on that. Although you can have some idiot who are going to comment and dwell on it. Because you are an idiot, so you are going to do it. It's in your nature to be an idiot. So even though I say this, you still have to act like an idiot. However, my point is, you have a lot of countries with less that do a lot more. Belgium, I think, Belgium is a landlocked country. I remember that even go call on you. You can pull up the map and you can look at it. You have only a country where landlocked. It not surrounded by no water. A land surround them country. Land. Other countries surround them. Them surrounded by other land masses. We are different country too. See? And these countries never experience a water shortage. Never experience a water shortage in them history yet. And more time I import water. You hear me say they never experience a water shortage. Never experience a water shortage. Oh, them country they were landlocked. Oh, when a summertime or when a whatever time, we never hear them. We see a big headline and say drought across this place. Drought across that place. Oh, comes. Never ever see it. No, I know a whole heap of people are going to tell me say, oh, Jamaica is a third world country and really a sort of foolishness. No nobody tell me no madness. Because all of them so-called country we are third world country. They must sell resources to first world country. So that our next politics for our next time still, you know. See? But I don't want nobody tell me no foolishness about we're a third world country and we don't have the resources. Oh, what do you mean we don't have the resources when the big first world country them come and rape the country, the island or the country, and rape it and have its resources, natural resources. So how we feel be third world country? Eh? You know, see, proper management we don't have. We need proper management of our resources. People, Jamaica couldn't sell water. All the same Catherine's people are run from up at Blue Mountain. People, when we did younger, we used to have a neighbor, see? And sorry if I sound angry. I'm not really angry still, you know. I'm not really angry, you see what I say? But I'm just disgusted by this every year. And probably about for 3 years or 4 years now, I keep on and talk about this because I'm disgusted by every year I see the headline. And this year, the damn idiot them start talk about it way earlier than it not talk about now down in June or July or August, you know. We are April them start talk about it. Them so come and tell you how you need to start you can't water flowers and you can't wash car, all sort of madness. When you have river in a country, Ochi just alone mean 8 rivers. That means 8 rivers run through Ochi. You get what me I say? Maybe even more. Rio Corby never stop run. As I said earlier, when a car go over there, everybody fret that they sitting full of water. Any time of the year it go over there, people fret. Because them say Jesus Christ, I want to go John now. You see what I say? Yeah, water never stop. You see me? I don't know if Rio Grande I was in Portland. I think I Portland, Rio Grande there. You see me? That must translate to big river or great river. Me never hear the people them up there say, oh, the Rio Grande dry up yet. Rafting going right through the year. Eh? Yo, listen to me now, man. So anyways, see? You have countries where landlocked, as me I say. I mean, never hear them about home. We never seen a headline say, oh, them people have drought. And them can't water flowers and them can't bathe them dog. And them can't do this and them can't. I mean, never see it yet. It probably exists. Nah, deny that. Because I mean, I see everything. So if you don't know, you can comment and let me know something. See? But my point is, I don't even focus on them. I focus on our thing. I focus on our thing. We have the resources. We couldn't sell water. The Blue Mountain water people. When younger, I used to go up a Blue Mountain. We'd have a neighbor. Him still a do him thing. Him a coffee farmer. So we have a cabin up there. Way up in the mountain, me I tell you. Blue Mountain peak where we used to walk go regular till we just start go there and we stop go there. You understand? For the summer them we used to go there. Summers we are go there every day because this was the man's job. Him a coffee farmer, him have him work at them and everything. Sometimes we go up there we'll pick coffee to put in the box. I get paid by the box. So when you pick it, you put it in the box and then when you reach one box or whatever, you turn it out in the crocus bag or whatever. You see what I say? Yeah man, box of coffee make some little board box. I saw them pay you for coffee by the box. You see me? Anybody who know about this can comment, not tell like we used to go up a Blue Mountain regular every day for summer. We used to go up there till we go up there, we tired to go up a Blue Mountain Peak. Blue Mountain Peak are where we go regular. One heap of time. You see me? Yeah. I have different sections to the peak, to another one peak and a one point. Depending on which part of Blue Mountain you're there. You have different sections, multiple different trail. We carry you to a section of the peak. You get what I say? So yeah my people. You see me? Anyways. We go up there, we carry back water from up there. Regular people. I'm not telling a lie. You see the Blue Mountain water. I just tell you about the experience of the water. See the water we get back from up there. People, the water not depend when we full up the something them. See one of my brethren, we full of big buckle. Whole heap of weed have to help lift it up and carry it in. One big something. One big something in a tall, you know, probably the tall to waist or probably a little taller than we waist them time. You see? We full it up. As I said, it's heavy. Whole heap of we have to do it. So him just left it on him veranda. See him left it on him veranda. Now you know we have our water bottle all them thing there. We full up our ray. Somehow we put it in a fridge. Somehow we kinda did ray, you see me? One day we go link him up. You see me? And when we go link him up, you know, water is on him veranda. So it happened that him now did want to chew some water from it to full up on bucket. So we'll help him. You know some might kinda splash out and them little thing that like throw away and thing and cause one thing you know people, for Blue Mountain Newcastle, Halliwell them place are cold, you know. The water we run out of the river living ice water, you know. You get what I say? The water cool. Anybody familiar with the river them where upper Blue Mountain or upper Halliwell? Drop on a comment. The water cool, the river water, ice water. Like how ice water feel, so the water cool, see? It not have no room temperature or nothing. It cold. Like what country people would have said. See? Alright. We care about this thing and come on hot at Portmore. And we throw it out. And some might dash or something. And people, the water still had that cool temperature. I'm not gonna tell you say it cool like ice water, you know. So I don't want something there, you know, because I don't want to clown out the thing and think a joke thing. I not tell you say it's still cool like the ice water like the day we catch it. But the water had this cool temperature. Just the same, like cool temperature. And all I will feel it and realize it. And then we say, yo, you know, other people start to say, yo, I really think, brother, because even me have 2 bottles where I never did put in my fridge and me I tell you say, yo, we throw out the water and the water did have a coolness to it. So till, you know, we are all the way come to realization. As youths, you know, as youth, we are still youth. We are going to school them time the same way. So we don't catch 18, already near 18, so. You see me? But I'm telling you, you know, yeah. So we stay so boom bang. And we are say, yo, you know, we start to talk about it. And we say the water cool and people where they round like couple neighbors, couple people who have passed and because a particular you there, female mother did have a shop. So only for people used to come there. So we start to make people feel we are throw it from the something and we are say, yo, hold your hand and feel it and we are say, yo, and them say, yo, where this and we are say, yo, how to do it there? Because we are say, look how the buckle big this can hold in the fridge, look how the jug stay. I want big tall jug something. And we are say, yo, this can hold in the fridge. You see me, I will tell them how long we come from Blue Mountain now and Ray. You see me, how long we come and Ray and the water still maintain that. Plus you know when you drink the water tastes nice. It's refreshing. You see me? Yeah, the water refreshing. The Blue Mountain water, man. You see me? Catching speak. Up at Blue Mountain them there now. Them think them there up at Newcastle, near Newcastle. Up at Blue Mountain them there people. You see me? Yeah man, up there the factory there we sell catching speak. A real alkaline water, see? Alright, yeah, natural spring water that. Alright. What if people who make feel and real, I will tell them. Some never believe say, like some never believe say it out there for days. Some never believe say it out there for days. You see me? Some of them I say a lie we are tell. Others might say, yo, no, I want to cool it, I want to find way to cool it and real. Because they want shop they there. So when people come at the shop, some of them will usually engage in a conversation with them and show them and tell them, see? Alright. Some of us try to show them say the water them have certain properties. The water have certain properties. I want to know this because we don't know say some parts of Jamaica them have the healing water and them little something there. You know the water where through the sulfur in there you can light the fire and we don't know that already, see? Alright. So I hope we don't find that part hard to believe either. You see me? Because maybe if you tell some people in some part of the world say, yo, we can light water upon a fire way. But for light fire upon the water, and them probably don't believe unless them go witness it for real. You get what I say? So anyways, people the water have a coolness to it. Same way. For days. For days people. Plus the water did out a door, it never did nowhere. Out on him fire under the buckle in it. Plus it tastes refreshing. You get what I say? Yeah. So the main point, even though it's fascinating to us still, the main point I never really say it out there and it cool same way, you know. You see me? And that's really the main point, you know. main point still, but I'm going to share that with you now. The main point still, when I tell you, say, yo, we have a whole heap of natural spring water run where we can quench the whole of Jamaica terrace, we can quench all of Hoover terrace in the diaspora, plus stranger terrace. So all Jamaicans were in the diaspora, plus Jamaicans were there yard, yeah. Terrace can get quenched for the whole year, plus other people across the world. We can sell that. See? So not only solve the drought problem we have, not only solving the drought problem, people. See? Not only solving that, but we can make money from the thing. We can make money from the thing, people. You get me, I say? Yeah, we can make money off of it. No, as me say, you know, them man are not interested to solve the issue because they might make a bigger money off of it when them own the truck them, and right now them come sell away a truck of water for how much in $1,000. You understand? That's why them don't want to solve the problem. You think so we couldn't have water run through every pipe? Eh? Right throughout the year, high water pressure? You think so that's not possible? Eh? That 2024, yeah? That way more than possible, my people. Way more than possible that be. You see me? Way more than possible, people. Yeah, so may I tell you the people. And they don't say we just fly past him and I drive body no man. Alright, tell them man, I don't know. I'll stretch the road like this every time you open up Instagram and them place this a road there. Anyways, do you think? Yeah man people, so I said they're not interested for fixing. Them want with it. Them want with it have drought every year. And buy water from them truck. Make buy water from them truck or from them French truck. That them want with it every year. Two party them. Two of them. Them not care. Oh, a man here come tell me about black tank and chuck. Bad man, me no want to hear about black tank and chuck. Because when the drought come, my black tank I go empty same way. I mean, I have to go pay a truck man to carry water come put in it. That me I show you. So I'm not interested in that. You get me? Yeah, I'm not interested in that. None at all, I'm not interested in that. You understand? I'm not interested in that. I'm not interested in that, none at all, people. What me interested in is when is it they're going to put in the resources to process the water, make it clean, to purify the water, so and put in some proper piping system so the water can run through people's house. People can turn on them shower and get water. When is it that I go on? That one. I don't want a man to tell me about black tank. A man never live all the country come tell me about you want to come give me black tank, yes man. Yo, when I done tell you some bad word and them little thing there, you know. I want a man tell me that, man. Run my pipe and run my thing and make me go buy my black tank. Run my thing then make me go buy my own black tank. I don't want a black tank, I want water. I run through my pipe. And that I want. And because them river you never stop run either, we should even need a tank. Long we have to need a tanker if we have a break on the main. Or them a change some pump or some of the water we shut off for a few hours. And the only way that we want black, we should have need black tank for. We need black tank to store water. Tank business at Jamaica, big business. Big business. Just because Jamaica is interested to fix the drought issue. But check, probably a them friend country or make a black tank. I don't know. I don't know. But I just say, a big business black tank thing. You see me and truck water thing, a big business in a Jamaica. You get what I say? Yeah. Big business. Some people what me I try to say is we have to think above the noise. We have to think above the noise. We don't want to hear them people here come and tell we about this, that and real. Nah. And when we didn't have power, we did provide them amount of truck here. Truck for the what, brother? Brother gonna provide some pump house. So you can pump the water to the people and provide some pipeline. You see what I say? Yeah, provide some pipeline. Provide some of the little purification thing them, the filter them and thing for make the water pure. So it can be so we can drink it. And them thing they want to provide. You see me, then we're not gonna need a truck. But you know, politicians, the aim is not to fix your issue, you know. The aim is not to resolve your issue, you see me? And the aim that. Because remember if them fix everything, we're not gonna need them, you know. You see me? I'm gonna tell people when we stop jump up when them politicians and do them work. And them work them and do when you gotta work and do your work. What them do? They just pay your money. Nobody create excitement. For burger you go there for flip and make sandwich. That when you go work and flip the burger and make sandwich, that is it, and you collect your pay. That's how you go. You just collect your pay. Nobody now create no again no certificate. You get certificate when you go above and beyond, when you go outside you scope. You get what I try to say? Tell you already, you know, me never hear a nurse come home and I say, oh, she inject 20 people today and she do this and she do that. Because that's her job. Never hear a doctor come and say, yo, me check 20 blood pressure today, you know. Because I'm job that. You understand? If you do some outside the ordinary and save a life now, then you talk about it and we acknowledge it and then we think that. So when them politicians provide the basic thing them what we supposed to need as an independent country, we not supposed to rejoice or praise them. Brother, who no work. You see politicians come talk about them fix the road. Then you forget to say that they work though. It's like a doctor come and say, oh inject somebody today. If a doctor study or a doctor do them little doctor thing or whatever and them stay so boom bang administer 2 pill or 2 injection or whatever. If them go back a reason with them doctor friend and say, yo, me inject somebody today, the person will listen to the rest of the story. Because bro, this is our job. This is what we do. We write 2 prescription today. I wonder if you not get what I say. I use some really lame ass examples, you know, because I want to see the realness of what I say. So when a politician can tell you how them build a road, I tell you now already, if you try to Google an independent country, see it, if you Google that, being an independent country, see it, it is stating that it's a country that has a government who is able to provide security. So meaning say citizens them for safe. See? You have to provide health care. See? Or you should be able to partner with external agencies or whatever to provide help, provide them things. But the country not lack it. So if you as a government can't do it, you have external, you have you know, agencies who are supposed to do it. So security, health care, like things like basic necessities, basic infrastructure, road, light, water. That's the meaning of an independent country, you know. we have a government that is able to provide these things because they are basic necessities. So, bro, when me soon ask say una build road give it, and me soon the whole of una gather up, turn on one lock off, the water run through, una wet up una hand and una mouth, cause una nah drink that shit. When me soon gather up, turn on the lock off, wet up una hand and una mouth. Like me have to say, yo, Jamaica, we need to demand more from them people. Like, yo, big of the people in the diaspora. See? You know why? The people in the diaspora, them come like with nowadays hero them, you know. And them have more guts than the people in the ground in Jamaica, you know. Yo, people in the diaspora, let me tell you this. You see the Jamaicans when they up on the ground, them soft out. And then the Jamaica one left one time. Yo, remember 90s gas riot? Them time me I got to school and I east me live them time there. And if you remember serve on the right east, Europe. I east did Europe. The wickedest. Let's go Google that. In PG must raise gas price. And see how the people get war start. Shot like crazy at fire. Excelsior me used to go people. Mountain View tense. And when the shot ease up we say we are war go down. Because we have a bridge who live a certain place at Mountain View and see some woman, they must say, yo, yeah man. Man, them say them gonna reload, man, them take a break. Shot, so I tell you, so walk go down, because East Kingston me live. You see me? Yeah, East Kingston me live, Rockfort. And I go Excelsior them time. So I have to walk go down Mountain View and go to Fort. You see me? In the 90s when I gas right, be a thing, one amount of spent shell. Why can I take up how much in Spencer? Remember me jump out and say, yo, don't do that again. I don't know if police them find them thing up here like you have to go explain yourself. So don't do it. You get what I say? Yeah. But why we are bridge them amount of Spencer will take up? Alright. Amount of Spencer. You see me? Yeah. So I'm not say if you are going to fire shot when government raise things, you know. But just show you the level of how we used to the whole passion we did have. I remember saying we come from slavery days, you know. So a fight we have to fight for our one, you know. Big up Taki and Nani, you know, you see me? Yeah man. And the rest of people them will do it, you know. You see me? So in our nature of fight, but me I tell you this. Jamaicans them on the ground right now, them soft out. Not even porridge not so soft. And that me I tell them watery, you know, like when you have a spoon in the porridge. Them watery me I tell you now. Soft. Melt out. Jamaica them in the diaspora have more guts than them. Them have more guts. I don't know if it's true. The diaspora of Jamaica them to live in our first world country and see how citizens are supposed to be treated. I don't know if that's why we find say the people them in the diaspora speak out so much because them see the unjust we are going with the people in my yard. You see me? I don't know if that's why. But me I say yo, the people them soft out big time. Yeah man, them soft out man. Big time man. We not stand up for nothing again, man. So I'm gonna say, oh, politician. When time we got a doctor and doctor write the prescription, they tell him more wrong and he write the prescription give it. We not praise the doctor? Talk to me. We not praise the doctor when that boy? Eh? We not praise the doctor? And put him on a pedestal and say the best thing this since sliced bread? Eh? We not pay him all money. Don't ever pay the doctor for his service. So just like how the taxpayer money and pay the politician for his service. When him do work, we never put him on a pedestal. Or put sheep on a pedestal, whoever them want be. Because of them work, them a do. You see what I say? Yeah. And them work, them a do. And then them get paid for. You understand? Yeah. And then them get paid for do. So we're not supposed to. We're not supposed to put them up there on no pedestal. You understand? Yeah. So the people in the diaspora, them have more guts. And them see when we are get the unfair treatment. So them talk out more and them do more things and them say you're rare. While we out there so, act like we don't have sense. I tell the people them money I talk about drought from years ago. The whole of the labor right government they talk about drought for the whole time them in there. Every year, as I say, you can just copy and paste the headline when coming at the news. Every year you can just do that. Every year you can copy and paste it. You see what I say? Hold on, I check a pass. Yeah man, I overtake me man. You see me? Yeah. I think we're supposed to be in a Chilan, you know, hold on. Yeah, I see a sign here, so I'm sure that sign here, because I'm telling you which part there. Yeah, it's a Duncan's, wait a say. Yeah, it's a me I leave Duncan, so Chilan over there now, see? Yeah. I'm sure I know this because right on the road I know say Chilan it in, so yeah. Chilan with the people. So yeah. You get what I say? Labor right government they chat about drought every year. Them chat about drought. I'm telling them I do my own research and I chose because I'm so disgusted. I never want to go a year back, you know. No more further than 1 year in the when PNP did I run the place. I Google the last year when they did I run the place. And I can bet if I go the year before and the year before, they are the same thing. So them two side them and chat Them no want to fix no drought in a Jamaica people. Them no want to fix it. Or the hell if you have so much river we never dry up yet. When they talk about Jamaica, what them say? Land of what? Wood and water. That them say land of food and water. Oh the hell if we name land of food and water and we have drought every damn year. And it's a well deserved slogan for the country or whatever it want to be for the country. It well deserved. Because really and truly, water never stop run. It never stop run. I tell you, don't river every time me go there, every time I drive on the road, it's the same thing. You hear the water gush out, run like crazy. I remember the road they above the river, you know. That who go down the river regularly, you know, when you go at the foot of the falls and you start climb up, then you gander one little something. And then they say where you go actually the road. And the road that will take you into Ocherius or carry you out back to the roundabout of Miami Bay. And the road that when you're underneath the little part there, and the road. So when we drive on that, you hear the water gush out. I'm telling you, flat bridge, when nothing happen, where you think go on, when nothing go over there, the people them fret. Because it's full of water, it never dry yet. Anybody ever see the bottom of it? I must the people them dive go there. I don't know if they ever see the bottom neither. You see me? Them not interested people, them not interested to fix this. Jamaica when we put on a sell water. And me have to view say water there in that aisle, you know. But we go left that for your next discussion. You get what I say? We go left it for your next discussion. But when me the price of me check for your retail bottle of oil, for your retail bottle of water, I mean, the amount for that bottle there. If we empty the bottle there and go full it of gas, me I pay less than what I pay for the water. The water dearer. So that's why I say it dearer than oil. Yeah, oil we put in your car. You get me? We have Portmore. You have so Jamaica right now full of water store. See in place where you go purchase water where them do the reverse osmosis and purify the same pipe water and get them take out whatever. See whatever. The reverse osmosis thing them, you see? And them sell in the 5 gallon bottle and we drink it, alright? Yeah. In Jamaica right now full of them store there. That a big business in Jamaica right now, see? Alright. Some of the store them go a step further where them drive come selling the water in a community them in a Portmore. I don't know if it happen outside a Portmore. Probably it happen. Anybody from Portmore will listen to this. I want to confirm or if me I tell lie when they say hey boy you're a damn liar. Stop your life on the internet. See? Stop your life on YouTube. I want to comment. Or if I true, just let me know say yes I true, them sell water, them drive around and sell water. See, don't just say yes I true because people might not know exactly where you're talking about. I know this is a long ass video, you know. But just make mention about the water. Say yes, them drive around in a Portmore and sell water. With you, with the truck them. Or you can say, yo, yeah, them drive around and sell it in my community and your state, which community that's it. But my point is, remember this is a truck about gas oil, it's about gas. And if you can drive around and sell water using gas and to make a profit, then water dearer. You get what I say? Water dearer. Simple maths, it dearer. Just like when you drive around and sell your food, or drive around and sell whatever you sell and make your profit so you can buy back your gas. Because these people who drive them truck, you come sell water, them a factor in them gas money too. And them a make back their money. Obviously them a make back their money. Because nobody now either run business or go in a business for not make money. So them a make money. So this is why I say, yo, the water more expensive than gas. See? That's my reason why I say that. You might not agree or whatever, but it's okay, no problem. The main point as I say, well, they are pan still. I say, yo, Jamaica have the resources, I will put a sell it. You know, with Jamaica, I tell you with Jamaica, them, all of them leaders, them, most of them are coward, them are idiots, them bow down to America. Like them not a damn sense. Remember when them that talk about war and drugs, every minute some weed field, some weed farm get light a country. If you check back in the history and check some clippings, some news clippings, and them look a thing there. You see me? You see how much in weed them cut down and throw a tire over it and light it. Blast the idiot. No, marijuana, medicinal marijuana are one of the biggest industry in the world. And the same America we used to give them money about fight war and drugs and kill out your weed. Same America decriminalize marijuana in a whole heap of place. They can burn it, them have dispensary, all them thing there. And then the idiot Jamaica now when that happen start run back at them now and say, yeah, we're gonna do this too. Blast the idiot. When everybody say, oh, Jamaica have one of the best weed in the world. Follow, we do madness with the resources them. That's why I'm saying the leader them are coward. Big coward them be. All of them leader yeah. Coward. You see me? Yeah. Big coward them be man. You see me my people? So may I tell you now. So we have this resource and this water yeah. You see me? Remember we might not have the gold you know. Or maybe the gold there but them just not ready for you to start mining. Tell we say yeah the gold there and them have a mine it. Because that's what I say, and the earth is rich in everything. Although we know some areas have more rich in a specific mineral than other areas. See? But yeah. But right now we have the water where we know about. Why we not sell it? Why we not quench the thirst of the people in Jamaica and the world diaspora and sell it to strangers too? Why? Why we not do this? Eh? Yo, them people are not a sense, man. And lead that water commission and run pump up electricity when the same damn river can generate the same damn current. Because you have hydro pump too. Eh? We can run that too. The same river can power the pump. We are going to pump the water to the people. None extra. Nothing extra. People. Now watch your pre now. I know me and the first man think about this. And remember all of these people were in charge of them something you know, the country and them thing you know. Them have all 8 advisors you know. And remember these 8 people or however whichever number they might be, them well bright. So them well bright. So me come to the conclusion say all of this is deliberate. They don't want to do better. Because as me say, not just the person who in charge alone did it. The person in charge have all up to 8 advisors. Them have enough advisor. You see me? Them have somebody to tell them about this thing too. So the person in charge bright. Then they have multiple people who come and talk them about it. Them people are bright. But fail for believe so them sit down in our room. All of them people here and none of them don't know say Jamaica water can go sell. And Jamaica have how much in river. All we need to do is set up the dam them, set up the thing them. So water couldn't pump from all country come a town people. Couldn't pump from country come a town. Because as me say I have real poor brick. Flatbridge water there so. You have the water there damaged, the water there so. That will supply all the town and some and the same pump. We don't need no electrical pump. We use the same river for power the pump. I don't know, maybe it can't work, yeah. I don't know about them something, so maybe it can't work. I don't know. So me feel to believe say all them people sitting in our room, round one table, or wherever them sit on, they might just slung in there and they do laugh and they and drink and smoke. And I say these blasted idiots outside. Yes, because I feel to believe say these bright people. Remember say them money are bright people, them, you know, them have doctorate and them have all sort of thing, you know. Them do masters and them thing there, you know. My PhD, you know. You see me? I feel to believe say them bright people, yeah. These bright people, I feel to believe that these bright people really don't know what to do. I don't believe it. Them deliberately sabotage we and the country. Them not like when none of them, the two side people, so we just cross over in St. Anne. Yeah, you see me? Yeah man, so we get in there people, we get in there, see? Yeah man, we get in there. So yeah man, I feel to believe it people. Say all of them people and them sit down and them deliberately. I mean them sit down and them don't know better. Me believe say yo them deliberately a sabotage we. Them a sabotage the country. We believe that. Yeah. We believe that. Nah them don't rate we. Them don't like we. Cause the two side them there from how long. And I see them story. The two of them a tell we. Every year when they check the headline. The headline when I check when PNP did I run it the last year, I think before JLP take over the government. The year before when PNP going in there, the headline are the same headline when JLP take it over. I'm gonna check about 3 years in or 4 years in, and the same headline is like the news company they must copy and paste it from last year. And every year the man them just come beat up their mouth and talk about judge. Oh, don't wash your plate. Oh, don't, let me tell you this. Me I wash when me need for wash. Cause none of you up there. Just like how none of you drink out a paper straw. Wanna come force from the country. None of you nah they are food in yard and a beard. And maybe we have some dirty people, so maybe we not even beard neither. But none of you, if you don't want water, you don't do to wash in the car same way, you don't do everything same way. And as me I talk about the paper straw thing, yeah, you ban plastic and you ban this. Alright, no problem, we'll try to save the environment because we all know one bag of thing happen and whatever. See? We all know, alright? So, we ban plastic. So, we not get a plastic straw, but we get a big old plastic cup and a paper straw. The cup no bigger than the straw, so no more waste that. How about me give a paper cup and say you go and drink out that plastic straw until you figure out how, you know, if we can supply the whole place with a bamboo straw or whatever. Talk about this enough time, the kids them will drink little kids juice them like Capri Sun and them little something there. See? First of all, the straw can't even bore the juice container. It can't even bore it. When you try to bore it, the paper straw bend and broke. Plus now you know you normally drink you have a straw in your juice. The whole like melt when it become a part of the juice. I wanna go tell me say yo them a do them thing a bit better the country. Yo, none of them no care people. None of them no care. None of them no care. Them take off idiot. Them and them friend make money off of this. And that's why people them say if you really want to find the truth, follow the paper trail, follow the money. Follow the money and you will know the truth. That them say. Follow the money and you will know the truth. So I see the video and the man come and talk about when PNP didn't have power and the truck. But even know what good he must say. I mean hate for you when them come talk say you know. Them did this and them that. Brother, we don't want you about a truck bad man. We want water in our pipe. So we are carry whole truck in night. We are tell about truck for water wine in our pipe. We want to run pipe from our yard gate in our house. Run it past we yard gate so we can run it in our house. And water if you run through it. Clean drinking water if you run through it. And that why I come tell you about truck brother. And when PNP didn't have power. And then later right now I come give you a black tank. We don't want a tank bad man. Bad man a water war from the river where the Almighty create. Run the pipe them past we yard and put the pump them in place. For pump the water past we yard. Then we now go want a black tank. We don't want a black tank. We gotta do it black tank. Water can come in a black tank by itself. Eh? When the drought there same way, the black tank now go empty same way. Big baboon. People we need to think about the noise. You see me? And again, I say sorry if I sound angry. I'm really not angry still, you see me? I'm not angry, but just disgusted, man, you see it? But we need to think about the nice people. We need to think about the nice. This bag of nice we make. That one you cost, that one you when them did not power this, that man, that one you cost say, yo, we not take the black tank, them go no friend. Bad man, we don't want a black tank, brother. What we are doing black tank? People above the nice, a level above the nice people. Sit down and analyze the thing. Now hear about the glass with the jar with the two hands them in it. The black hands and the red hands. And somebody take up the jar and shake it and the two hands them start war. I feel like say yo, the black hands feel like the red hands and the red hands start the problem. And the red hands feel like the black hands start the problem and all them are war against it. And them start fight them one another and kill them one another. When the real issue is the person outside will shake the jar. And them are the real problem. People think about the confusion and the noise, you see me? Jamaicans them with their yard there, we have to think about that. Stop make them idiot that come to me with a bag of foolishness. And we just say yes and Ray and a jump. When them clown and do them work, we just say yo Ray. You see me? We just say yo Ray, alright, you do your work, you deserve your pay, take your pay. And that's what we do. But the people them get paid whether them do work yes or no. And as I tell you, if we say we are an independent country, there are certain things where the government is supposed to be able to provide. Mark, you still know, no government is able to provide all these things for their citizen. But this is why you know what they do, them partner with other agencies. So if I say them have contractor with them link with, and them have this with them link with, that with them link with, we have build house, we do all of them something, and then the government compensate them by giving them tax breaks, and them look at thing that is a next story again. A different conversation again. But yeah man people, when you see me I say I them thing them, yeah man, I them thing there, you see me? I them thing there. I them that a go on. So as I say yeah, no government not even provide, because probably the damn idiot them, one of them probably at least has somebody who affiliated with them. Somehow around them and I say, watch him attack. Which country can provide for that? Because yeah, America first world country can provide some of the people I see to them. But this is why you have only for people in real estate. I buy a house, I make a house for them because the government cannot do it. And then the government compensate them by giving them as I said, tax break or whatever else. You understand? They might can't provide security to the fullest, so they have additional security companies or whatever for do other things. For you see me I say? An event to keep. We don't have enough police force, the government can't find the resources, so the government link up some other security company to make sure so the citizens them safe when them got an event there. I saw it go. You get what I say? I saw the thing set up people. You see me? Yeah. So it's set up. You understand? Yeah. So it's set up for people. So we need to think about the nice, that's what I'm saying about people. We need to think about the nice. You understand? Yeah man. We need to think about the nice people. We can't just come every day and I make them people here take off a clown and take off the idiot. And we are say yo yes, yes, yes. And we are say yes. And I jump with them like banana sense. Eh? Yo, I say a thing one day, you know, I not even want to talk about it, you know, because people are going to say hard for please. And one bag of thing, you know. And that people are going to say, you know. But I tell you nothing, people. I tell you nothing. See, anything them politicians give it, you see if them not use it, or them pity them not use it, we not want it. Make it be a standard where them can use it and them pity them use it. See them build a school give it, want them pity for come at the same school and come get educated. You see what I say? Why the money in the road? No one the front time pan. What is I supposed to prairie in people? I'm not too sure, but I can't see properly in the night have to say. But I think I'm supposed to prairie somebody about. See me? Or maybe a prairie? I'm not too sure, but yeah. Same time with the same mistake. Alright? Yeah. Let me see what this say. I try look a while ago, it looked like a prairie. If on the sign, I couldn't see it dark. But here my people, them build a school give you and them pinning now go they go get education. We know for your boots them up. We know for your boots them up, people. We know for your boots them up. Because it's less than what the standard is. You see me? That's why for them pinning now go there. You understand? Yeah. So we know for your boots them up, man, people, man. A big woman thing, man. That's all I'm gonna say. Because as I say, if me really talk some things, you know, people are gonna say, yo, I can't please black people and things take time. I'm gonna give you all of the bullshit excuse them. Bullshit excuse them where them been a give from how long. Eh? Things take time. Of course things take time. Of course things take time. Nothing happen in the same day. A lot of things have to take time for happen. But what you do when it take more than the time wait for happening now? Eh? What about that? Eh? Where you still gonna say things take time? Eh? Listen, everything have a time and a due season. So when we there do a thing and we are wait for the politician to provide for it, it will come through in the season where it's supposed to come through. You know? We're not supposed to wait how long. You get what I say? Yeah. I'm not telling no man people, man, you see me? We need to move above that. We need to move above that. That we need to move above. Move above the nice. Stop make them boy take off the idiot. And them gal take off the idiot. You understand? Because as far as me see it, we are the boss. You see me? Yeah. We are the boss as far as me see it. Yeah. So we need to wake up in the people and start. You understand? Yeah, man. We need to wake up people and start do better. So hold on. Ultimate Jerk Center, the plantation Google out this up. I'm trying to figure out what go on. I have to run a Google and go home. Unless this is different from plan. Unless we not reach a plantation cove yet. But anyways, people, yeah, I say, yo, people, we need to do better, man. Yeah, man, we need to do better, people. Stop celebrate them clown when them just do them work. You hear? Don't celebrate them. When you have your little pitney and them come home, you celebrate them when them get everything right and when them go extra, when them do extraordinary things. You celebrate them. Even if you congratulate them when them do normal. We all know as adults say, yo, really them do normal, you know, but we are encourage them to do better. So this is why we do that. But them people are grown ass people, we know what them to do. Them know the job what them to do. So we're not supposed to play no hypocrite with them. Brother, be you do your work, you get the money where you're supposed to get. And you go on where you go. You ain't doing extraordinary. You see me? Yeah, man, people, man. I tell them, man, we need for, you know? Yeah, we need for up it up. We need for up it up, my people. I tell them the truth. Yeah, we need for up it up. But people, if you like the reasoning, and make sure say you like the video. Click like on the video. Drop a comment in the comment section. You see me? Yeah, man. And subscribe to the channel as well, man. Once you like the video, people, just do the right thing, man. See? Do the right thing, man. I could grow the channel, man. Share the thing and do the thing, them, man. You understand? So one place here, near Pear Tree Bottom River. I need to drive over now. See? Pear Tree Bottom River, we just drive over that. Alright? Yeah. We are saying that. And that the sign and that the river there from granny was a boy. And from our grandfather was a boy. No long that did it. That did it from Wappy kill Philip. They know a long time that. Because nobody no seem to know Wappy and nobody no seem to know Philip. You see me? It's a long time that all of who did know them not there no more. It's a long time that, you see me? Yeah, man. Telling the people, man. Resources there, man. Them just a clown you out, man. Them just a clown you out. You see it? Yeah, every year. I'm disgusted by it, man. And then I got to tell you about we can't wash car, we can't water land, can't water plants. See, I hear that. I might plan them on my yard me buy for money. You think I can make them dead? Or can't water. I water them every day. Every day they forget water, I water them. You see what I say? Yeah. You tell me this or you tell me that. Eh? Sake of lack of not wanting to improve the place. Me must not wash my car. Eh? Nah, man, who can't drive around in phone no one dirty. And as a matter of fact, I never seen a drive around in phone no one dirty yet. The wash. Eh? Again, as I say, just like how you not drink out of a paper straw. But you not tell the people them say them for do this and them for do not eat that, man. You don't have no sense, man. You see me? Yeah, you don't have no sense, man. You need to do better, man. Stop trying to the people. Oh, others are run away being the people. Yeah. Alright, run away be. I'm so get to mommy be. Yeah, man, people. May I tell you, man. May I tell you, we don't need for wake up, man. Jamaicans them they are yard, man. We need for wake up and stop settle for the little where them are give it. The foolishness where them are give it. People them run one pipe at one place, 10,000 of them gone turn on one lock off. Eh? All why politicians have to go turn on water pipe? One to the person who run water commission. One to that person there, whoever in charge of the water, we are going to run through that place there. We are going to collect money for it. One to the owner for this, the boss, for that agency there. One to them can't turn, for them finger can't turn on the lock off. Eh? One to them. I'm mad, this is me never see a first world country yet to the president can turn on a pipe, you know. The amount of road I see a bill in America. I mean, never see president yet one day go say, oh, we are open my road. Never. I see mayors when they have business openings. I see mayors there. I open the business there. You see me? Them time I see politician in a first world country. But we never see a road bill. The amount of road we have built. You have some road that never stop. You have some highway that always work on. This minute over the party, next minute over the party. Because they might ensure that the quality of the road is being upkept. See? I mean, never see a president yet, boy, I go home the road. People if you see it, you need to like tell me, you know, send it to me. Comment and tell me all of them something. Because me never see it. Me never see a president that open a road. We never see it yet, people. And in Jamaica, everything one gathering go on. Burn up taxpayer money, pay gas or pay for put gas in a car or put gas in a helicopter. Who no go burn up taxpayers money for go open place, open road or open this, open that. Eh? How that makes sense? How the hell that makes sense? Yo, some little foolishness what we are doing, we need to stop it, you know. And when them come gather and do this, we not go there. We not go there, bad man. We not go there, we could just allow them. Because if we not go there, you know, say if we not go there, them not go there, though. Because I show them a come, it's a show and tell thing, you know. Yeah, we not go there. Man, gather up and dress up and that thing. Prime Minister have to drive from wherever them come from, go where in one part of the country. We go turn on one lock off. So like the person where go collect the water bill after this, so can't turn on the lock off. Eh? Yo, I'll be clappy to blow, you know. Fool too, you know. Yo, Jamaicans them there, yeah, them. We soft out, man. We soft, man. We soft. I put on porridge, like when spoon go left in our porridge. You know, they will call it water porridge. That's so turn right now, man. So them man have we a twist, we a turn, we a all along the man. You know, see that, man? I'm really sorry if I offend anyone who will love the politics thing and who don't have no favorite politician and anything. Like, honestly, I am sorry. Me, When my bill come on my yard, I might name the on it. I don't know no politician will control road on my yard. I don't know them. And one day when them have the local government, I see one labor right one poster and she must put up and I forget her name now. And I saw me know. So I like me know her now upon a poster I see her name and I forget her. I don't know. I don't know she win neither. I don't know she win. So therefore the PNP person is supposed to be more popular. And I don't know them. I don't know if a man or a woman. I don't know who. I don't know. You see me, I only know that labor right one was a female like I see for the poster. I know them. So when bill come on my yard and my name upon it. You see me? Or my woman name. And I have to dip it in my pocket and pay that. So I need to jump up in a politician. So I apologize if you don't have a favorite politician. I really apologize still. I don't mean for be disrespectful or whatever. And when I'm entitled to it, there's nothing wrong. When you can, you know, if you don't love that politics thing, of course. Cause, you know, me love sports. You know, probably don't love sport. Whatever, you see me? So, I know politics come like a big sports day too, you know. But that's our next conversation again. But yeah, but just I say, you know, if that's a your thing, then no problem, fine. You see me? And if you don't want to have one discussion too, we can talk with you too. Like if you don't feel like you don't want to tell me why you love the politician, friend them. Sorry people. Yeah, if you don't want to have a discussion with me and tell me why you don't love the politician, friend them or whatever, then you want me to have in a discussion. Me not tell you no. You want me to a discussion, man. You see me? Yeah. You want me to it people because I not really take it that serious way. When I tell you say them here and there to me, it don't matter. You see me? So me not gonna be ignorant or stupid and say, oh, I don't want you to know about them, you can't you see me, you can, because you can have a conversation with me about them. You see me, you can drop in the comment section, but you don't know respect at the order of the day still, you know. Just like how you hear me and tell you say, boy, if I really offend you, I apologize. Like me sincerely apologize. Because some of you politicians them dear to you, I know that I want to friend them, some of you want to family them. So I know say you don't hold them. Like the politics thing for some people are really life and death situation, you know. Them love it. Yeah, them love it, man. They can't, you know. So if you know one of them person there, I'm honestly sorry. Whether you live in Jamaica or you live overseas, I'm honestly sorry if I sound disrespectful. I never mean to disrespect nobody. However, I'm just tell you say in my eye how me see this thing. Because I'm not a politician friend, I'm not a politician family. I'm not a, you see me? I don't know them. If they even have them, I don't know them. So what I say is I apologize if I offend on the scene, but you know my views, I don't see the big alabaloo over them boy and what them are doing. I really don't see it. You understand? I don't see it. Honestly, I don't see it. So, yeah. I think they need to do better. I say, I think they need to do better. You see me? Yeah. I think they need to do better. I just say, yeah. Maybe in the future, I don't know, I might say something different. You know? Because as I live and learn, and maybe right now there's something that I don't know. So yeah. But for now, I'm still a politician right now because they don't care. They don't care. Every year are the same thing. Same thing every year. As far as me see it. Same thing. But people may have to continue to go and chat to me, you know, because I tell you some day I feel sleepy, you know. Not very sleepy still, but you know, I kind of feel tired. Let me see what this is saying. What that? Laughing lands little river or something like so. You see that? Laughing Lands Liquor River or whatever I want. But that I tell me say we just go over our next river again. And that it basically I tell me. Say that's another river. Alright? So me just show the people. Like it don't make no sense. Just stop a little bit and take a quick bathroom break, people. Yeah. Hold on there, my people. You wake up, you want bathroom break too? Yeah, my people. Alright, some car come, okay? Wait for them to pass. The next one come. Couple vehicles come, people. We're so sure about. We just wait for them to pass. People out the door right, that's a dark, you're afraid. You never know say someone could have dark, so. Oh. I will go over the next bridge again, and probably the next river. You never see the sign. You can't see the one there behind them, because the next river that again, people. Oh, yeah, look for it. See back? Oh. Running so far? Sorry. People forgive my window speed. Well, yeah, man, I'm telling the people, man. I'm telling them people, like, them people are them politicians, them not rate you at all, yeah, people. I'm telling you, them not rate you. You see me? Yeah, them not rate you. Them not rate you at all. So people need to stop jump up for them, you see me? Hold them to account. Yeah, make them give what we're supposed to get. And stop them. Any side people. No specific side, any side. If some new set come now, hold them to account, you see me? Yeah. We not play no favoritism around with them. You get what I say? Nobody will not play no favoritism with. See me just see something say Cave River. So this is a bridge where Cave River run under again. You see, you see this? When I talk about it, you see how much river I'm telling you say we pass? And I hope you can see the sign them too. But when you see it, and this is driving from Mobile to St. Anne. See to Miami Bay. Alright? And you see how much river we pass. Alright. Jamaica now have no drought, people. No drought now for their Jamaica at all. No drought. You see me? Yeah, no drought now for their yard. Full like it's a land of food and water, and it's not a joke. It's not a joke, people. A real thing. Yeah, a real thing. You see me? A real thing, man. Jamaica, so some of the rich man. So they are rich man people. Yeah, over there saw the post scheme, you know. You know, you saw the scheme all look nice. Like them up under the palm and one bag of thing. It's nice, man. Rich man people get practical as him drive down so feel like change. So them a live. Living the life. Yeah man, people, may I tell you. What going on, sir? What you do? Oh, it's a plantation here. Because I pass a place out there so with the name like Ultimate Jerk up and another. So me that one there for plantation change the name. But it's plantation here. Okay, so the Ultimate Jerk place you probably can try it then, man. Yeah, you can try it one at a time. Pass some place back so me just say a priory. Me one there for the right. A priory the back so pass up. Yeah. I don't know, kind of tracks are supposed to go, you know. Yeah. So probably when me tell them say a priory, I supposed to be priory then. The gas station at 230 at 231 at 6 or 235. 236.50. Wow. You put that in your car, your tank stay full, you know. Never run out. Yeah. Yep, the tank stay full and never run out, man. You're full of tank. Yeah, but people, so they have to take the time and make go away. You don't know the thing going on, you see me? You have the toll now for go take on. You see, I kind of feel a little bit tired. I don't know. I might wire it for the toll still, because I don't know. The toll big and boring, you know. So, I like yes, where you kind of see something. Alright, yes, a priory. Yes, a priory. Oh, so out this I never priory when I say, yeah. Yes, a priory. Okay. I don't know what this is what they don't need that fast. You know. Yeah, because it's a priory restaurant. Yeah, man, out this a priory. Pudu man, we pass the Pudu man already? Yeah. Pudu man at 24 hours? No. Oh. You need to do a feature from Puduman. I do it still. I try to do it, people, because you see me? As I tell you, say you're alright, you know. They're on a mission with the channel, you know. Yeah. Make sure say when I share the thing, they make blaze and tax. Alright? Yeah. And if you can comment, just drop on a comment. And some people are me and some people went a long time, you know. Them join the channel and them just start commenting, you know. Just start commenting. Yeah. Them join from how long. Cause Jacqueline, she a long time she there, you know. She just start knock up in her comment. Her finger them probably never used to work back then time. Jacqueline mouth me, Jacqueline say when me go, when Lisa did come go up in the bush, Jacqueline say, yeah, come talk, we don't want to get lost. But you're still young Caucasian woman lost in a St. Thomas or a Portland, I don't even know which one. But me up, man. But it's all good, Miss Jacqueline, it's all good. Bless up yourself. Church River. Another river that again, people. Church River. Just drive over Church River. Now all them river you run from up so you know, and the sea that going on, you know. I see over there so from my left side and the sea there over there so here. All of that are going on, I see. Alright. All of that are going at the sea. I agree, some of them no might heavy. I run hard like how some are run hard still. You see me? That must be so heavy. You see me? But fact still remain. A river them. So the right out the care of sentence be. Yeah. Them people so rich mommy be Watch your race 11 kilometers, Kingston 96 kilometers. We now go all the way at Kingston still. Come off of Angels and then we have whole half of after that. Sorry my people. St. Anne's Great River. It's another river again. Eh? Church River?
No, Nickel River.
Eh?
Nickel River.
Oh, me pass on again too? Yeah. You never seen them?
Yeah.
Alright. See, I'm telling you, them a run go in the sea. So when you see me approve my point though. That me I say, I don't know if you Google it, I don't know if it's a new place or what. Oh, what am I doing here? Street me I go. Oh, the road and them just, that's why, because that's how many rain about in the road, because them just mark it down here. Leave it and mark it. The glass looks so like it want to play. Night now, when the glass is clean. You see? Jackson. People want beach around here, so. The cove. I tell you. Water pristine. Yeah, the water well pretty. You need to check it out. It's a little hideaway, a little secret spot, you know? Yeah, you need to check it out. Chinese restaurant so big? Oh. Eh?
This is never come from.
Chinese restaurant. To get takeout. This our Jackson, you know, people. Yeah. you. What you reals? This Jamaica say $180 for your day pass. Like 180? Is it? Yeah. So I'm too bad still you can say alright, I could have paid for 2 people and paid the $300 whatever. But when you have kids that carry on with you, the money add up and you look on it now and say, yo, just a day pass this, you know. So you know it can add up. You run about this? Alright, look how weird I night there, you know. Alright, my people, so it's a basically roundabout to go out for the toll here, you know, so. You see me? Yeah. Yeah, my people, so we take it out on the toll road, you know. As I said, it's a toll along and boring, you know, man. So it's a Edward Seaga Highway. People, if the sleep get more intense, I know I gotta stop. Make sure I carry up my seat back. I don't want to lean back too much. Well, this is probably a little bit too much. I don't want to lean back too much, you know? Yeah. Probably need to turn on the GPS too because sometimes the police them out there hide, you know. I probably want to pedal it, you know, real quick because you can't pedal it. Need to reach it. Angels. Yeah, man. Oh, it's a 38 minutes. Yeah, not about 38 minutes to reach.
Straight for 7 minutes to D3 Miami Bay Toll Plaza.
Yeah, man. So now Bluetooth and put on this to the radio. And sometimes corporal squad them they out there, you know, so can't bother with them more while, you know. Alright, it's just 7 minutes to reach Toll Plaza. Yeah, my people. I think that toll here gonna cost me probably about $2,000, you know. Yeah. Hold on, I'm not switch lane it. I'm probably gonna pass that boy. I can't even drive slow. Like rain dollar fall to the people because the road kinda damp, you know? Yeah. Like we gotta get a little bit of rain. It's a 38 minutes, so I'm gonna see now. They fall man inside of the fog guard. Boy, that tool already from fog up, you know, man. Trust me, you can't see nothing, you know, people. Yeah? Yeah, so in the figure you can take you on this. Got to read at just that section there. Okay. So for the part like that section here we go up a little bit, but for the most part I down where we go. Yeah, we go down for the most part. Just a little front foot of the hill. Basically toll make on the hill, you know. Road cut on the hill, so you know like our parts we go up, parts we go down. Yeah, and I've got link the tin man. Because if you squeaking in the window, so I run the wife a little bit, people. Just bear with it there, alright? Yeah. What? We're gonna get harder. Oh, wow. Alright, so we reach the toll plaza. So you're 2 kilometers away. Yeah man, so just pick up all the new people them over there, you know. You see me, we can't stop picking up, you know. Man has a respect for the over here, you know. You don't know anything going on. All time people, them regular, them as we call, you know. Mess up on yourself. If you watch this on the premiere, big up your damn self, you see me, yeah. Premier gang, big up on yourself, you know. You don't know anything going on. Yo, J Boomin, big up, you know, my brother. Yeah man, big up yourself, man. You don't know anything going on, my bro. Yeah. Manners and respect, yeah?
Kilometer. Continue on T3 Miami Bay Toll Plaza. on T3 Miami Bay Toll Plaza.
Alright, so how that tool work? We'll just drive up to it, punch the
Straight for
button.
25 minutes to A1.
Yeah, we'll just drive up to it, punch it, and we'll get the card. And we'll keep it till when we reach a such place. We'll show them it, alright? Yeah. So it's set up. So it's a 25 minutes, so 25 minutes now we are gonna skate for inner people. Yeah. So it looks like really definitely that far. People want to tell me, want to think about the nighttime visuals, them, you see me? Yeah, man, and the conversation, them, you see me? Okay. And if you don't want to be a part of the conversation, them, in the nighttime visuals, you can make it happen, you know, just comment convo in the comment section. You see me? Yeah, man, and we make it happen, man. You see me? Yeah. We make it happen. Get it? Spanish Town, 43 kilometers. wind up window a little bit because the rain, as you can see, start to come down heavy up. So yeah, wind up window a little bit. Just saying, you can fuck out there. Yeah, man, you can fuck there. Enough still. A little bit. Police that? So they must say police. So oh is not there was a police out there? Wait, them just reach.
History of crashes for the next 10 kilometers. Drive safe.
Yeah, but there was a police out there. We are to drive safe. God, this police out there, car. Yeah, there was a police out there. I could send a report so people can know. Them just reach those people. Yeah, man, like them just reach. All them police are now stopping at night, you know, man. Problem, you know, man. You better have your money. Yeah, you better have your money. They stop you that this are dark, yeah, right? So you better have your money. Have up your money, cause yo, them talk not take right now. And no blind not give. And no ticket not right neither. Money them a defend. Cause this a road a dark. Watch out. It's a road dark. And this a my little park light. Road dark people. Police stop in that in the darkness there. You think say them a take the talk and give up like? They have the money man. But I just plug it in for my thing there, you know, my GPS in there, so other people can know. Because look at them just reach. I go work, you know. You know, all 50 grand I make tonight or more each. Because two of them I see how they. Yeah, man. Because I'm speeding depending on how fast over the limit you are going, you know. And this road away empty, so in the night you barely have traffic on it. But if you stop here from rain. I hold it while I don't really see how speed and through me how kind of feel stuck. I'm not even want a speed and you see me? Just want to go one speed and I can control the thing. I don't want to go to excess speed. People are the vest I see now. I say, oh, that look like police vest. And then the vehicle to me, I say, yo, police this man. Never take it out. Take it out? Yeah. Shoot some like please. Thanks. Water? Yeah, you don't get hot? Yeah, man, it's still good. It's like country water.
So it tastes better than the other water.
Water, they are dirty water, man. I don't know where they find it from. Thanks, sir. Oh, Lord. Right. So Linstead exit is 1 kilometers away. After Linstead away, there are angels, don't it? Spanish Town, yeah. Alright, people. Some of them are too far out, you know. Yeah, man. You know, they're too far out, you know. Chuck, you have come on for Linstead. Spanish Town, 17 kilometers. Alright, it's not too bad. It's a 10 more minutes in the people. Yeah.
Point 8 kilometers. Exit to A1.
I'm gonna serve so. says. What's up?
No, man, it's supposed to be.
Oh. You know if your email? She didn't. Oh. Looking at the email, it's supposed to say her name. Alright, next 2 kilometers. Our exit, people. Them bump the way here, this thing in the middle, in the road, you know. Yeah, put it in the middle. The reflector, them. And them, through me and ride it. And go by it, that's why you hit a bump up. So, see it? So that.
Kilometer. Exit left A1. Left A1.
Alright, this is our exit, people. I make a quick stop. My angels. Because I told him, no problem.
100 meters. Continue to Angels Toll Plaza. Continue to Angels Toll Plaza.
Yeah, people. So basically, they are angels in a Spanish town. Like you say, me have all I forgot to. So you know, still have a little way left. Don't put the money. Like this thing, sir. This. How much it now? About 119 bucks. Yes, sir.
19 not
Sorry. For a second, I can't find them money. To people, you might see the light a flicker a little bit on the display. Sometimes I just the camera really. I just the camera why it do that. Hello. Mommy, I get too much? Oh, okay. Thanks.
meters. Turn left on A1.
Yes. Thanks and praise, you know.
Meters. Turn left. Left on A1. Meters. Turn right on Angels Haven. Right on Angels Haven.
People, I make a quick stop. Turn off the GPS and out to people, God. Yeah, but my say just forward. What do you mean? I say what? Itinerary?
Yeah.
Can you answer? Alright people, so me little pick up my little thing. All about it you know. Yeah man, all about it you know. Telling the people. Tired. I'm gonna make like my boy still up car TV I play kickers are go on. Some kicker face show. I watch. What does it smell so man? I see him chilling that never come off a Lindsay, you know. Probably come off a Lindsay because it's cheap I feel. Yeah, that one. Pay less money coming, but that's a big old class 3, you know man. Probably just come off a Lindsay and then forward. Oh, so I just want to bypass Mount Dresser. On the whole road. Maybe just did want to bypass Mount Dresser. On the whole road.
Alright, that's good.
Take it on jumping and see.
Just send that part, it's separate.
Screenshot and see it.
What happened, send us an additional attachment.
Okay.
So we just send the attachment and
Okay.
but we use my phone by the time we cancel the attachment. Then it's a sign never see it.
Okay.
Probably the same thing should not be on our phone. However, that should.
Kind of here. And the man if you just go on the tour. Go pick up. Got the tool itself, go pick up. So I reach home and took a beer. And that's that me I think we're right now and then there. So by some people, just a pre right now, I just want to reach home, jump in the shower, some hot water, you go relaxing, And then we don't shower, I just go fall asleep. Feel some jelly bean. I'll take it to where I am. Darling, as a feather bed lane, I got too hectic. See, I'll chuck your girl under the same chuck your good at it. But drive back height for the bumpy road. So.
No, I'm easy for it, just like I don't know, that's not a road. Then for the bitter, that's not a road.
People around us can't vote. Could not vote. Feather bed lane people could never be voting. On the road, bad around this people. Bad. Bad.
That all I can follow the water and fish. Have a pan.
Take it to one road there, man. So people, all over me are going about this. I could have take the right turn this at the stoplight and go around and take the whole road, but I take the highway, man, it's a go pick up. Because basically, when I exit the highway, basically I go there, right on my community. So yeah. Well, I'm just want to big up everybody when they here from the starting, you know. Yeah man, big up on yourself man, you see it, you're still there right now, bless up yourself. As we say, if you watch from the premiere, mad respect goes out, you see me? Yeah. If you watch from the rerun too, you don't know, bless up yourself same way. You see me? We give thanks, we support same way. run us a name Hill Run. Alright. I don't know where the hill run into, but the hill run. Probably put on by the GPS, you know, just in case spotted them out there. I know them style. Whoa! Gosh, never see that. Gosh. Never see that one. It's on GPS. Oh, it's still connected, okay. Drive up, man. Usually.
81 East West Highway. Continue straight for 6 minutes to Vineyard Toll Plaza. Vineyards Toll Plaza. On Vineyards Toll Plaza.
Alright people, so basically the whole lot by now. They come cross from a place named Gutters.
0.6 kilometers. Exit to toward Old Harbor.
See me? So yeah. We are still left on Old Harbor Road. Would you reach us here? Still left on something I go through.
Kilometers. Exit left to toward Old Harbor. Left to toward Old Harbor. Meters. Turn left on East New Harbor Boulevard. Then turn right. Then turn right on East New Harbor Boulevard.
Alright people, we're gonna lock off the GPS here. Yes, Jaja, give thanks and praise people. Wanna see which part we start from, right? And we'll basically reach home right now, you know, people, so I don't know. So big up on yourself, you know, if you're there from the beginning of the journey, you know. Yeah, man, bless upon yourself, man, everyone, you see it. But that little reason they were holding at the beginning there. Hold on, you know, so people put it there. Oh, where did blow? This is a madman, this. Them security, they show them letting the right people, eh? Come on, driving a scheme. I don't know. I'm not gonna drive on the highway if you want to drive fast. You can't drive on the free section, you know. You don't have to pay the money, you know. Mad, that. I fly over the sleeping police, you know. Yeah, my people, man, I say, yo, when I see where we start from, when I see which part we reach right, you know. You see me? Yeah, I want to be a scholar reach up, so give thanks to everyone who shot along with me on the journey. You don't know, you see me? Yeah, man, I don't sleep. They go like it want to bite me, you know. It want to box me down, but oh, there. Right now, man, I just go in. Go and soak under hot water there. Yeah. Kind of relax my body first, you know? Yeah. Then make way to my bed. Yeah, man. But yeah, people are looking reason the whole in the first part. This man, I tell you, we need to wise up, is it? Yeah, man, we need to wise up, man. Because especially the Jamaicans and out there. People have to go feed them too long. For too long. Alright people, so 876 by birthday now, I don't know, you know. Bless upon yourself, you know, my people. It has been a wonderful journey, you see me? Give thanks and praise to the Most High, we'll make it in safely, alright? Later, my people, I don't know the thing, alright? Do the right thing, subscribe to the channel, click like and the whole works, alright people? Later.